Alright, so we're gonna do another unboxing. It's for this Pittsburgh Tool Kit with case, 130 pieces. I got it at the Harbor Freight. It was, I think, 30 bucks, and it's a Black Friday deal. You get all these pieces. I just want to get some tools for the house because I have a ton of these tools. It's just that I don't want to mix my work tools, outside tools that are all dirty and I don't know where it's been, and have a separate set just for the house. But this is like a Harbor Freight, is really cheap, but you get a lot of tools that I usually use there throughout the house, like the hex wrenches for furniture, and then these other things for other, like needle nose pliers and so forth. So we're gonna unbox it. I kind of wanna, I think I might return it because it kind of have a smell. You know, it's like off-gassing all this toxic gases, VOCs, volatile organic chemicals, whatever. So let's open it up and see what's inside of it. So I got my trusty pocket knife. I don't cut myself. Okay. I haven't opened yet, as you can see. Okay, there it goes. There's a Ziploc, with a zip tie to close it, and we have 2 tabs. It's pretty heavy. And it's already fall off. That's something I don't like. But maybe because they didn't put it on correctly. Let's see. There's a vice grip, which is nice. I'm gonna smell it. It kind of smells like oil. Here goes this. It kind of falling out. Okay, it's not really tight in there. There it is, tight now. So these are usually I use for furniture. They got the SAE, and they're the standard, and you got the metric. So you have your bits, your screw bits. You got your extender, which is nice. You got the small screwdrivers, a little foam to separate your. Oh, see, it's falling apart. I don't like that. Oh man, that's gonna suck. So, got more bits. Okay, see. Make sure it doesn't fall out. So these are already falling out. Let's see. Yeah, I might have to return this. You can't really get these to stay, you know. Okay. So you got the wrench. You got some other wrenches. These are forged steel. They smell like oil. So they're kind of all over the place. And you got yourself a box of tack nails, hanging nails, hanging clips. And you got these drywall screw thingies. You get yourself measuring tape. I mean, for 30 bucks, can't really beat it. I've seen some tool sets on Amazon, but they don't include these wrench set parts. I use these quite often too. So it's all pretty cheap stuff. Okay, those kind of click in. I want one with a hammer too, so it's perfect for me. Sometimes you'll need a hammer. But I think I'm gonna return this one. It feels and smells really cheap. And oh, you got yourself a spark plug wrench. So I mean, this is really great for any person at home, just for your basic tools, and it's all in one spot, so it doesn't take much space, and you can organize it organize it for you. So get your standard. I mean, it's a great tool set at $30. So for me, I have a ton of tools, so I don't need it. But for any like DIY person or anybody that just starts to start working on projects or buy a house or something like that, this would be great for their little tool chest. So you get all these pieces right here. Screwdriver, wrench, pliers, socket set. It's great for like a present as well. Like anybody that buys a new house, they don't have tools. Oh, you got a lifetime warranty. Ooh. You know, that's nice. I mean, my opinion is, for me, I have a ton of tools, so I don't really need it. But for anybody that doesn't have tools and just started to get into DIY or buy a house or something like that, you're gonna always need some tools around the house. I would say this would be a great purchase. $30 for all these tools. This tool alone is probably like $10. And you know, hammer, $5. I think it's worth it. You know, $1 for like this thing. And these wrench socket sets, I would say $10 to $15. So if you buy this separately and you got the screwdrivers, they're the cheap stuff, but you know, they'll get you by. And they got the lifetime warranty. That's really great. So I want to keep it, but I try to not spend so much money here and there. And we're heading into the recession, 2023. So it's probably better to keep some cash around. What do you guys think about this tool set? What do you guys think about Harbor Freight, buying tools from Harbor Freight? These are hand tools. I know, like it's electric tools or not the ones you want to buy at Harbor Freight, but they'll get you by. You know, yeah, one project, 2 projects, it'll make it happen at a low cost. And if anything, you can always sell these things, sell it back if you use it and sell it. So you won't lose that much money. What do you guys think about Harbor Freight? What do you guys think about Harbor Freight tools? That's what I would like to know. Should I keep it? Should I not keep it? What do you guys, would you keep it? You know, like these things, it has a rubber. It kind of smells. I wouldn't want to use these without a glove. Yeah, you don't want to cancer risk and all that stuff. Okay, try to get that in there. So, yeah, what do you guys think? You know, These are pretty basic. These are nice. It's like a nice overall kind of tool set. I kind of want to keep it, but I have so many tools. Okay, that's 10 minutes of bullshit. Talking.